Patricia Malateo as CEO of In My Office Incorporation.
Hi, I'm Daisy T. Soriano and I'm the Sales Manager of My Office Incorporation. Hi, I'm Daisy T. Soriano and I'm the Purchase Manager of My Office Incorporation.
I'm Emil Janes Mendoza as customer.
Hi, we visit Wood Corner, a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here is the photo of their large desk that we like.
What's the cost?
They cost $140 each, but they are discounted to $100. If we order a minimum of 10 desks, we can sell them at $220.
Sounds good. I'll create the product in our catalog.
To create buy and sell, we must click the sale and the next products, then click the new type large desk. Then click good and invoicing policy to delivered quantities. Then sale product, gagawin natin 200 and the next one is 140. Then we will click purchase, add a line. Then we will type Wood Corner. Then create and edit. Company, we must put Wood Corner. Then some info will be automatically flashed on the screen, and the first name, it must be my name, which is Rin, and the last name is Malateo. Then save. After that, we will change the quantity of wood corner into 1. Also add another 1. Wood corner. And the quantity of the second one will be 100. The unit price will be 100 and the quantity will be 10. So we will save it manually.
Sophia, I plan to purchase large desk. What are your monthly sales estimated?
Between 9 and 12.
Okay, I'll purchase 10 desks to start with.
To create purchase, we will click purchase, then new, then we will click wood corner, then we will change the date into May 20, 2025, and the arrival will be 21. Then we will click add product, and we will type large desk. And the quantity, we will change it into 10. The next one, we will click send RFQ. Then we will type our email or my email, which is rtgmamalateo@bpsu.edu.ph, and set email. Then the result will be there like this. And we will back to the Odoo and click send. Then click confirm order. Then click receipt.
I'm the driver from Wood Corner. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open a loading dock?
Okay, go to the doctor. I'll validate the receipt.
To create inventory, we will click inventory, then click overview, then inventory, then it automatically flash on the screen, and then click that arrow or table, then we will click validate.
We've received a bill from the vendor. I put it on your desk. Can you create, check, and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date is in 2 months.
To create bill, click the PO1, then other information, then click payment term. We will click end following month, and the next thing is we will type May 2025 and then print OK. Then you pay, we will change it to bank, then create payment. Then that's all. They will email you.
Hi, Brandon from Azure Interior speaking. I've seen beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send a quota for 3 desks to Brandon at game.odoo.com?
You get it by email right now.
To create receipt to your customer, click new, then type Brandon, then add product, then type large desk, then type the email of your customer, then send it.
I'm in a meeting this morning. Can you process and validate the delivery orders that are ready to be shipped today? Make sure that the one from Azure Interior is shipped.
Okay, I'll check this right away.
As you can see, here's the Brandon receipt and delivery for today. You will see the deadline and the scheduled date of the delivery. Then you will click validate.
Can you validate which sales orders we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I'm on it.
To create invoice, we will click to invoice, then click the what appeared and create invoice, then create draft, then confirm, then click preview, and you will see the logo, then click send. You will send it to Brandon, also type to Wood Corner, then send. First one, we will click customer, then invoices, and we will see the invoice. Then, to confirm that, we will click new, then we will see the journal, and then create payment. After that is all, we will see the payment.
Can you tell me about the net profit of this year? I need it in the board meeting tomorrow.
Let me check the profit and loss report.
To analyze the profit, we will click reporting, then profit and loss, and we will see the analyze profit and loss.
Roger, I would like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of accessories we can easily sell on site?
Sure, no problem. Here's the document with all the product accessories information. www.odoo.com/r/costproducts.
Great! I'll import this file directly in the system.
First, let's click configuration, then point of sale, then configuration, then click settings, then we will change the self-service invoicing. We will click that, then save, then we will click the auto settings, then point of sales, then click products, then we will upload the PDF file. So to upload that, we will click import records, then click the file and import.
I love these LED lamps. I'll buy 3 right now.
Good! With today's special offer, when buying 2 identical items, you get a 20% discount on the 2.
Great! I'll pay in cash. Here is the $600.
Point of sale, we will click open registration, then open control, then click open registration. Then we will select customer, then select the item that you will purchase, then we will discount in on 20%, and then after that you will print your receipt.
I've got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
For closing the shop, I'll close my POS session and be there in a minute.
To close the session, we will click this side, then we will click the close registration, then close registration, then it will be reset.
How do you plan to control the cash from your register?
There's a functionality in Odoo POS. I configured the option, but then I'll need some cash to set the opening balance when I open a new session. Do you have some?
Sure, I can give you a $550.
Click the amount session, then we will click the amount, like 5 pesos, 10 pesos, 20 pesos, 50, 100, then click confirm. Then open registration.
Hi, I take this whiteboard. Is it possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure, can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Lorraine Douglas, 3202 Hannah Street, Asheville, NC 28801. Phone number is 443-648-9155. I'll pay cash. Here is $200.
Someone wants to return the item, we will create and the item and the one quantity, then
we will create or click the
I came yesterday and bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem.
To personalize the name of the receipt, we will click create, then type the name of the customer, then click the item, then create receipt, and then validate, and then we will print it.
Dave, don't forget to set the closing balance. You'll need to add all the coins and bills you have in the registered drawer.
Yes, I will.
To control cash, we will click this side and then click close registration. Then we will click the dollar sign. Then we will click the amount. Then click confirm. And then click close registration.
Hey, can you tell me which product are the best sellers?
I'll check on the orders reporting. A creative project office design to extract our services. What are the steps involved in designing an office?
It starts with the on-site meeting to check their office and gather info. Then, I prepare 3 design proposal. Based on their feedbacks, I model a floor plan. Then, a sales rep does a quotation with the new products.
Okay, thanks. I create the stages and set the email address design on the project to ace the creation of tasks.
Let's analyze the POS table. First, we will click reporting, then click orders. Then we will click measures and then product quantity. Then we will click product.
Hi! Google asked us to design their new office in New York.
Send an email to rtgmamalateo@ppsu.edu.com with subject Google and why to create a task for Audrey.
Select new, then change the name into office design. Then create project. Then click the meeting and add. And the another one is design. Another add is for floor plan. And lastly, you will search quotation add. Then plus add done. Then click project.
Audrey, you should have a new task for Google and why in the project office design. Can you prioritize it?
Okay, I'll start the task for priority. I will be scheduling a meeting with the customers next week. Once the meeting is done, I'll work on the design proposal. I think it's a mistake to offer our office design service for free. If we sell it, customers will better understand the value of Audrey's work.
You're right, we can sell these services at $50 per hour. I create a product office design service that you can use in your quotation. I configure it to generate tasks for every sales order.
We will send an email to furniture company, which is Google New and why.
I'll just confirm our first quotation for the Jackson Group. We sold an office design service estimated at 20 hours. The customers love it and confirm the order right away.
Awesome! Check that the task has been created automatically for Audrey.
Okay, with the office design, we will click office design, then Google, then type meeting, then summary, visit Google's office, then open schedule.
Audrey, don't forget to record your timesheet on task as we charge customers based on hours spent.
Hold on, I'm on the phone with the Jackson Group. Okay, I'll just started to work on the design of the Jackson Group. I'll log the time spent.
Thanks, use the timesheet app. It's easy.
Then we will click order, then quotation, then we will click new and we will type the Jackson's Group. Then we will click add product. We will type office device services and
Can you check if we still have sales order to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I generated the drafts invoices. You can review them.
create the product. We will create product and click product, and then we will type office design service. Then we will click sales and then service. Then we will type the selling price, then invoicing policy. We will change it and based on timesheet, and to create order we will create type task and the project office design. Then
Hi! We just finished the plans to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good! I create the 4 product in the system as well as the bill of materials according to your plan.
Then we will click order, then quotation, then we will click new and we will type the Jackson's group. Then we will click add product. We will type office device services and to create time shift, we will click the start, then change that to office design, and then we will type on that after describe first call to define with needs.
Hello, we just received the products from the Only Wood Incorporations. There are 400 table legs and 400 bolts, but they only delivered 80 tabletops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with back order for the 20 remaining products. They'll deliver the remaining products later.
To create another invoice, we will click invoice, then order to invoice, then select that, then create invoice, then create draft, and then after that we will confirm and then print. view.
Ernest, we got all the materials we need to start producing this. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
I'm on it.
To identify manufacturing, we will click products, then new, type, table, then change the selling price, the cost, then inventory, we will uncheck the buy, then product, then we will type on product table, then add components table top, add components table leg, add components bolts, and then we will correct the quantity, then create that icon.
I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 work center, assembly station, and painting room. Can you put a table with the instruction of each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I create the routine table production with 2 operation, assembly, and painting from the bill of materials.
Thanks! I create these documents to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
To receive product, we will click inventory, then click want to receive, then validate, and print.
Hi, we got 5 customers complaining about the defect in their tables. Looks like the tabletop separates from the legs after a few months.
It's probably related to the bolts. I will create a quality control point on the assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 nm.
To purchase raw material, we will click purchase, then click new, then type Only Woods Incorporation, and then add product, tabletop, then add table leg, bolts, and then change the quantity and the unit price. Then we will confirm order, then receive products. We will type the email, then
Charlene, I added a control point on the assembly operation.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We will have the opportunity to test it through the work center control panel.
FYI, the turkey setting measure should be between 11 and 15 nm.
to receive product, we will click inventory, then click want to receive, then validate, and print.
Hi, to close my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table we manufactured, including time and materials.
Okay, I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for theoretical cost if you want to update it.
Click operation, then click new. Then we will type table in the quantity tray, then this icon, then confirm, then
Hey, we received the USB barcode scanner you ordered last week.
Oh, thanks. I configure it according to my keyboard.
Scan any barcode in a text editor to make sure it works.
database and work center, we will click product and then bill of materials, then table, then operation, we will add a line, assembly, then work center, assembly station, then save a new, then next one, painting and painting room, save a new. Then in assembly, we will click the PDF and then upload file.
Charlene, I plan to use a barcode scanner to speed up inventory's moves. Can you set the barcode reference on our product?
Okay, I'll set the barcode reference desk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the large desk.
To see the work center, we will click manufacture, then operation, then we will click manufacture order, then new, then type table, then that icon, and then operation work order, then click the assembly, then mark as done. Then click the work orders and then click table, and then mark as done. Then operation, then work order.
I'm the driver from Wood Corner. I have 3 large desks for you. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open a loading dock?
Okay, go to the dock tree. I'll create the receipt with my barcode.
To check the quality overview, we will click quality control, then new, then type target settings, and then click table, then type measure, then the product category is all, then operation, my office, manufacturing, then we will type operation, manufacturing sequence, and 00, norm 13, the tolerance 11 to 15, and then work order operation assembly, then worksheet page 3.
Hi, Brandon from Azure Interior speaking. I'd like to buy 3 large desks. Can you send me the order?
I'll send it to you right away. Your email address is still brandon@game.odoo.com.
That's correct.
The quality test, we will click manufacturing, then operation, then click new, then product table, then main bill to table, main materials to table, then quality, and then operation work order, then click assembly station, then mark as done.
Hi, can you deliver Azure Interiors order in priority?
Okay, I'll continue the operation by scanning the product and the operation barcodes. The 3 desks didn't fit in one pack. I'll put 2 desks in one pack and the last one in another.
The system tells me there are 4 large desks on hand. However, I see only 3 in the warehouse.
Okay, let's make an inventory adjustment. We probably scrap one of the desks.
Our average time to pick has increased by 30% compared to last year. As the warehouse gets bigger, workers have to walk more to pick products.
I am going to do an ABC inventory analysis. Frequently sold products should go in Zone A, closer to the packing zone. Less frequently sold products should go in Zone C, at the end of the warehouse. Can you activate the store location figure?
Okay, so I'll divide our main stock, warehouse, first stock, in 3 zones. I'll create these 3 new locations, Zone A, Zone B, Zone C, with the respective barcodes, Zone A, Zone B, Zone C.
According to my ABC analysis, the desks are the most frequently used. Can you move 3 large desk products from the location WH stock to the Zone A?
Okay, I'm on it.
I'm launching our new website. Any idea what we should put on our homepage?
I like website with the cover on the top, customized with an office image as background. I will put some key numbers like 580 customers, 25 employees, 120 designs products, 8 shops. Then we can add 3 columns, your customized, we design, we manufacture.
There's a lot of templates here, and we will choose what is the most appropriate one for us and the furniture, and then click the homepage.
Love the new website. Can we start selling our new office chairs online?
Okay, I'll create the product page on the website with a $120 price tag.
To arrange the webpage, we will add the theme, then our logo, then we will click the theme, and then change the quantity or other editing area in the website, in the webpage, then click. We will add some content, and we will change it based on the information given. We will delete the excess box or table, and then we will change some information. And that's all.
Hi! There has been no sales for our new office chair online. Can we do some search engine optimization?
I'll target keywords people are looking for on Google with the promote codes.
To add product to the web page, we will click product and then the product name, which is office chair, then the selling price, then save. And then we will upload the picture of that.
The chairs are selling like crazy. Good job! But people are asking for different color and size.
Okay, I will activate the variance figure and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in 4 colors: gray, black, white, purple, and 3 sizes: small, medium, large. Can you even put a custom embroidery with their name on it?
Our e-commerce is ready. Can you test buying a product online?
Sure! I love your new warranty service. It will be great to write a new article about it.
Okay, I'll set up a blog on our website and write the first post.
From our website, we will optimize this SEO, then type the title, office chair on sale, the description of that, and then the keywords office chair. Then click save and upload the picture.
We need an app to manage our properties. It's not efficient to do everything in the spreadsheet.
I'll create an office rental app to manage our offices.
Great! I'm looking forward to it.
What information do you need on an office form?
Basic information such as the name, photo, rental price, but also the capacity, number of available desks, address, type of office, open space or closed space.
First, we will click configuration and settings, then variants and save, and then we will click product and then new. And we will click attributes and variants and size, and then the color available on the product, and then save, and then fields, and then click that icon and we will appear it on your website. You may add to cart our product. Also, to buy that, you must to click all your information or personal information, then purchase.
Sophia, I created the office rental app. Can you add our properties in the app?
Okay, I will create our 3 offices for rent.
To have warranty in your product, we will click e-commerce and then type and then click new, then warranty, then selling price, then add a line, and then duration, kung ilang years, and yung warranty, and then click that icon to make an action, and then you will see what, and then the operational product. Click warranty and click that to save, and it will appear to your website.
When browsing the list of offices, it will be useful to have more information such as the office type, capacity, price, and status.
Good idea. I add these columns to the list view.
Go to website and then click that, and then it will load in your website. Then click blog post, and you will make posts about your company. And then select blog to your company name and then the title of your blog. And then we will click save and then change some title, font. And to right here, you will change some information about that blog, about that product or your company. And then click save and publish. After that, you will see it on your website.
Is it possible to have an overview of which offices are leased or not?
Yes, I activate the Kanban view of the offices with columns according to the status field. Sophia, I'm going to a meeting. Do you know how I can show our office occupation rate easily?
Why don't you create a graph view?
Good idea. I get the availability ratio, the percentage of available desks by type.
Well, we'd like to publish our available offices in a magazine. Is it possible to create a display with the name, image, address, rent, type, and capacity? Ideally with a small text about us at the bottom of the page.
Or I'll create the ads for you directly from the reports menu in the app.